Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer Grailed Payments to your bank account. Here are the detailed steps to transfer Grailed Payments to your bank account. The first thing to do is to launch your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. Click the login button if prompted, which is located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. After logging in, you will be redirected to your homepage or dashboard. Then, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the page, and from the drop-down menu, select My Account. And that is pretty much going to take you into the My Account page. In here, at the left navigation panel, you're going to find profile settings, addresses, my sizes, payments, notification devices, and help. Select payments, and that's going to take you into the payments window. This section contains details about your current payments method and balances, which are here. So you can check safeguards of payment methods and business registration. So if you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so to transfer funds. So head over to payment methods. Now, where you have payment methods, you can actually use Stripe or use PayPal, but we want directly to card, right? So select Safeguards and click on the Safeguard tab and click on Add New Card. In here, you have to fill out this form. So add your card number, month, year, CVC, add your full name, country or region, and address line. Now click on the button that says Safeguard for future use once you are done with all of this. After adding your card for your bank account, that's going to be it. If prompted, you can verify your bank accounts, but if that's not required, then it's not necessary. So, before transferring payments, ensure that you have available funds in your Grailed account. Okay, this balance should reflect completed sales and any payments due to you. Now, in this payment session, after adding your payment method, you may find an option to transfer funds, withdraw, or request payout. Okay, so click on the option. Now, if you do not find the option, just know that it is for selected users of Grailed. Let's say for international sellers, or it's not just for you. Okay, so if you have the option, click on it, enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Some platforms may have minimum withdrawal limits, so ensure you meet any requirements and confirm the transfer details, including linked bank account. After entering the amount, review all details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Submit or Confirm or Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. And once you have submitted the transfer request, you may receive a confirmation message. Check your email for any updates regarding the transfer status. Transfers can take several business days to process, depending on the bank and Grailed's policies. After a few days, check your bank account to ensure that the funds have been deposited. And if the transfer takes longer than expected, you may want to contact Grailed support for assistance. Check your bank account information. Check that your bank account information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer, and keep records of your transactions for reference and to ensure proper tracking of your sales and payments. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.